just got to texting back and forth, ये वो time pass, and that's how it all began.
ऐसे
नहीं, ऐसे क्या होना
तो कैसे मेरा मुंह इधर रहेगा तो तू कैसे बंद करेगी ऐसे करके how will you do
Like
that?
once she moved back to Pune, it was a bit difficult for me to adjust, so I broke it off. उसके बाद once she like wished me on my birthday, so that's how it like restarted.
I just wished for the birthday. I didn't mean कि I am okay to chat again.
I just went through a profile and I was like कि shit यार ये कहाँ थी, मतलब why didn't I notice her before?
देखते हैं कि आपने जिनको अपनी बीवी बोला है वो कौन है।
I never felt that I'm talking to someone new or there's that gap. There was always that connection, and I think because of that connection, we've survived this 3 years of not talking to each other or not meeting and still maintaining the touch. As humans, we are completely opposite, but
At heart we are the same, I feel.
What do they want? I don't know. They're all revved up and ready to go. We're moving in a straight line. Generation is what's in the backbeat. Let's keep up.
I mean, as a person, he has not been very romantic and cheesy type. So I didn't expect him to do a proper proposal. So that made me happy that he went out of his comfort zone and planned things for me and gave a lot of thought about it. Where is my groom? Where's my groom? Where is my groom?
I was thinking of switching off my phone just to freak her out. I don't have a ring still.
No, you do.
But it's okay. It's like
you do?
she got her ring the way she wanted,
do.
intimate way. क्या?
Ring, you do.
एकता लालचंद आहुजा यांचा आजपासून माझी कायदेशीर पत्नी म्हणून स्वीकार करीत आहे.
एक्सेप्ट करताय ना?
हो.
In the back of the car, trying to stay awake. I can tell.
Okay, I have a ring. It was always you.
See, और क्या चाहिए? He demands a ring, he has a ring. Can he get a better fiancé?
अभी क्या मतलब now what are we? क्या हुआ?
नाम नाराही हूँ देश का सिपाही हूँ,